Please make sure you have your copy of the Assessment Review on Electron Configurations and turn to the back of the first page. There's a demonstration experiment I want to show you. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to combine several compounds that contain elements from group 1, sodium and potassium, and group 17, bromine and iodine. And we'll look to see if they react or not. We'll use that information to make a prediction about a different compound. So what I have here are several small cups. Each one of them contains silver nitrate. That's going to be our testing substance. And we're going to combine each of these silver nitrate samples with sodium nitrate and potassium nitrate from these cups, sodium bromide and potassium bromide from these cups, and sodium iodide and potassium iodide from these cups. And we'll look to see if there's a reaction or not. I'm just going to cover that up so you can see better. And put the first two here. And test first sodium nitrate. And we're looking for some evidence of a reaction. And here's potassium nitrate. And they look pretty much the same, clear and colorless. So no reaction in either one. So we can record no reaction there. Now we'll try the same thing with sodium bromide and potassium bromide. Here's the sodium bromide. Okay, I see something happening there. And here's the potassium bromide. Okay, something happening there. So sodium bromide reacts, makes a cloudy white precipitate. Same thing with the potassium bromide, so reactions in both of those. And finally, the sodium iodide and the potassium iodide. Okay, again a reaction. And here a reaction. So what we're looking for is to see which ones react with the silver nitrate. And what we saw was that sodium bromide and potassium bromide both had reactions, and sodium iodide and potassium iodide both had reactions. We'll discuss these results, and then I'm going to ask you to make a prediction about what would happen if I combined this lithium chloride with the silver nitrate. So let's take a look and see what happens. I'll put these aside and get a fresh clean cup here. And the lithium chloride solution, I'll add a little bit of that. And then the silver nitrate solution. Just going to pour it in a little bit. Okay, there looks like there's a definite reaction there. So if that's what you predicted would happen, then you want to be able to explain why.